So let's get started. My pot is boiling. I am first going to add my pumpkin and carrot, making a pumpkin and chicken soup. Woo! Splash alert. Okay, get everyone out down in there. My spoon. Gonna stir that. Alright, so while I have that there boiling, so I have my little dumplings. I'm not doing spinners, I'm doing some dumpling ball. I'm gonna kind of roll them back out. Once I pot boil it back, I'm gonna add them. Then add my seasoning. So I have the season here, pimento, and whatever else. But once my pot start boiling, I'm gonna add the dumplings. So I have my noodle, scallion, ginger, and some turmeric. Add that to my pot. Then I'll just stir. Ooh, look at that! I'm gonna add some of the seasoning.